Excelsive Des here. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing, as you can tell from the video title, a package from AP Hair Company. So AP Hair Company gifted me this hair and wanted me to give a true honest review of their hair, so I'll be doing that today. As you guys know, I love hair. I have been on this hair journey for the longest time, trying to find a hair vendor that I can rely on and that sends me good product. I feel like a lot of new companies these days are, you know, branding Chinese hair as Brazilian hair, Peruvian hair. Don't know hair come from Brazil or Peru. Like, I don't know where this hair is coming from, but it's obviously Chinese hair that they're, you know, putting chemicals on and, you know, giving it, steam processing it. A lot of these companies, the way they brand it on their website or whatever, it can be very misleading, and you think it's nice and cute and pretty in the pictures that they put up there, especially like these AliExpress vendors. They be taking girls' pictures that's not even their hair and then posting it on their page acting like it's theirs, and it's so misleading because we spend our hard-earned money, some $300, $400, $500, $600 on these wigs or bundles that claim to be this and that, and then after one wash, the hair is acting up, ratting up. It's like, it sucks because we spend so much money on hair, like not even just, you know, wigs, weave, but even getting your hair braided. Girl, braids these days can be like $400, $500, $600, even higher just to get your hair braided. So I don't braid my hair. I don't get my hair braided. It's too much tension on my head. I just wear wigs as a protective style. I can go on and on about the hair industry today, but you're here for this video. So I'm gonna unbox this hair in real time. As you can see, the package has not been opened yet. So this is gonna be my real honest, real true reaction to unboxing this AP Company hair. Okay, so I've opened the package. I don't know if you guys can see on here, it says AP Hair Doll, which is really cute. Oh, and the package is pink, which I love. I love the color pink. This is the hair in the package. I love these satin bags. I love keeping them not only for like hair stuff, but like other things like my sewing needles and thread and all that. I love these satin bags. Okay, so in the envelope that it comes with, it has a postcard that says AP Company Hair, Luxury Hair Extensions, which that's what I'm looking for. Thank you for shopping, doll. Ooh, you get some money off for your next order, which is awesome. And then on here, some hair care tips on how to take care of the hair and how to maintain your hair. Wash and deep condition before you install the hair. Detangle wet hair from the bottom up. Of course, we know that. Condition for 1 hour before rinsing. Oh yeah, I already do that. I already do that. I love deep conditioning my hair. Allow the hair to air dry. I always let my hair air dry. I rarely use blow dryers at all. And then BioSilk. Oh yes, I love putting BioSilk, especially for like a silky straight style. It keeps the hair, you know, nice and flat and silky all day. Okay, so just some general instructions on how to treat the hair. So let's open up the bag. One bundle of SEA, I guess it's the Southeast Asian straight texture in the 18-inch length. So this is 18 inches. From my neck down, I'm like, you can't see it, but it's kind of stops right at my boob. So this is the hair. It smells like it's been washed and conditioned. It doesn't smell like factory hair. You know, usually when you get pack hair, factory hair, it has a very distinct smell. This hair doesn't smell like that. It smells like shampoo and conditioner. But I am going to, of course, rewash it before I install it in my head. This next bundle is the same SEA straight 20-inch. So this is 20 inches of hair. I'm running my hand through it, as you can see. Not tangling or anything. Not getting any shedding. No shedding. Yeah, no shedding. This hair smells the same. This is like a cute 1B color. I've been dyeing my wigs like jet black, like #1 color. Because sometimes the 1B hair, it just doesn't pop like, unless it's jet black. So I'm probably gonna dye this hair jet black. But the hair naturally, I don't see any, like, I see like one gray strand, but not like a whole bunch of gray strands, no red strands, no filler that they put in like them Chinese hair vendor hair. The hair is pretty thick throughout. You don't have a lot of fullness at the top and just nothing at the bottom. It's pretty full throughout the bundle. And yeah, looks and flows really nicely in the wind. Now let's look at the ends. I forgot to look at the other bundle, but the ends of the hair, that's how it's looking. You know, it's a little, just some split ends, but you can, you know, take some scissors to the ends. Usually if I'm wearing a wig, I'll do a little chop at the ends, but they're not horrible. You know, I'm expecting this from hair from a donor to have some split ends. I mean, no hair is going to be perfect. And this last bundle here is 22 inches. So this is the 20 SEA. Can y'all see that? SEA 20 straight texture, 22 inches. This one is also really full. It smells just like the other hair. Very strong soap smell. The smell isn't bad, it just smells like soap. But this is the hair. It is the straight texture, but I'm seeing like just a little curl at the ends, which is not bad. It's probably from sitting in the bag, but the ends are very nice. This one, it looks like the ends were like cut to me. They look very straight, but this is what the ends look like. They look very nice. These don't have as many split ends as the other one. I would definitely use some hair cutting scissors. Don't use no kitchen scissors, y'all. Use some hair cutting scissors on your hair so you can get rid of that split end. This is the 22 inch again, and this is where it ends and lands on me. It's like past my chest. So from the back of my neck down here is past my chest. So that's the bundles, y'all. 18, 20, and 22 inches of hair. They also sent me an HD closure. So this is the straight 5x5 16 inch. Oh, there's 2 tags on here. Okay, I don't know why there's 2 tags on here. One of them has writing. So this is the straight texture 5x5 16 inch HD closure. So looking at this closure, I'm not gonna lie, the holes are a little big compared to what I'm used to, compared to like my other HD closures that I've had in the past. The netting is a little big to me, just to me. The knots are tiny though. The knots are pretty tiny, and they're not looking bleached to me. So if you want, you can bleach it. I'm probably gonna bleach the knots, but they are very tiny. Can y'all see that? Let me get up close. That's what the HD is looking like. Honestly, I've had better HD closures than this. I've had better HD closures than this. I don't know, the color is throwing me off, but maybe, you know, once I tint it, because as you can see, I'm dark skinned, so with deeper complexions, I prefer HD closures. They blend a little bit better than like transparent or what's the other one, like the regular brown lace. I prefer HD. So this one, this is what it's looking like on my skin. The HD closures I've had in the past, I can just put them on my skin and they just blend in, but this one, you can definitely see. I'm definitely gonna have to put some makeup, some lace tint on this to get it to blend better with my complexion. Yeah, so this is the closure. It is 5x5. I prefer 5x5 or higher 5x5, 6x6. I haven't tried a 7x7 yet. Based on people's reviews, they look kind of difficult to install, but I can work with a 5x5 or a 6x6. The hairline, it's not too thick. I think, as you can see, the hairline isn't too thick, but I probably will have to go in and just pluck it a little bit in some spaces. But it's not the worst hairline I've ever seen, but it is, as you can see, it's pretty straight. And if I'm gonna wear this, I'm probably gonna, I'm gonna take out some baby hairs a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna wear it in a straight part. This is what the parting is looking like. Pretty natural, but this is the hair on the closure. Pretty full from top to bottom. I'm not experiencing any tangling, no shedding. So that's what AP Hair Company sent me. I'm probably going to, as you can see, I'm gonna make a wig unit out of it. Based upon the unboxing and just feeling the hair, smelling the hair, looking through the hair, it looks like authentic human, 100% human hair. This hair, it's really nice and thick. I believe it is double drawn hair. I prefer double drawn hair. It has a movement to it, unlike single drawn wefts. Double drawn hair is kind of like heavier to me, and I just love the movement of double drawn hair. The hair is thick and full. It is like 1B. I'm looking at it in the light. It has like a little, it's black, but in the light it can look a little brown. So I'm probably gonna dye this jet black. So I'm definitely going to wash this hair, let it air dry, and then make a unit out of it. But based upon my investigation and unboxing of this hair, I feel like it's going to be really good hair. I'm not experiencing any tangling. I'm not, feeling any kind of film on the hair or anything. It just feels like authentic human hair that was cut and then put on a weft, like no chemicals or anything like that. And it feels really good and healthy. So I'm excited to try this hair out and try the closure for y'all. I want y'all, I'm gonna work my magic on this closure, because I'm like, I don't know. I don't know, looking at it, I was like, I don't know if this is gonna blend in, but we'll see. I'm gonna work my magic on this closure. I'm gonna come back to y'all with the unit made and on my head, and I'm gonna give you a real honest review of how the hair straightens, curls, and all that stuff. So if you guys are interested in AP Hair Company, I will leave the link in the description and the link to their Instagram so you can buy some authentic luxury, I'm telling you, luxury hair bundles. We're not doing the Chinese vendors. I mean, unless you want a budget. But if you really want to invest in your hair and have your hair last a long periodically time, you gotta spend some money. And some people, it sounds like a lot, but I'm like, if you get your hair braided, let's say every 6 to 8 weeks, and every time you go to your hair braider it's costing $400 or $500, how many times is that in a year? You're spending at least over $2,000. I'm not doing the math right now, but you're spending at least $2,000 for a hairstyle that lasts maybe 6 weeks, and you got to get it done and redone. Girl, when you could just get a wig, take care of your hair, not get your edges pulled back, your scalp all messed up. You got to come up there, blow dried hair, like you got to come with your hair braided to get it braided. The girls are losing it these days, but I just feel like I can spend money on quality hair that'll last me a long time. This isn't AP Hair Company. This is a hair chambray hair, and I've had this hair for I want to say at least 4 years. This is Indian hair, and y'all, four-year-old hair does not act like this. Four-year-old hair does not act like this. But anyway, though, you got to spend a pretty penny to get hair that lasts a long time. So try out AP Hair Company and let me know what you guys think. Maybe if you have tried it before, leave a comment below, or if you're interested, like I said, look for the link in the description bar. I'm done talking. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel and you know, staying with me. I know it's been a minute. Like I said, it's been a busy year, but I appreciate all my new subscribers, all the people who leave comments, because a lot of y'all feel the same way about these hair companies, and I just love interacting with you guys and seeing like, okay, it's not me. I'm not the only person feeling this way. Like, some of these hair companies just be lying to us. But anyway though, please continue to like, comment, and share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, because I have new content coming. Trust me guys, I'm trying to get back into it for, you know, spring, summer. It's been a long winter, y'all, but I'm trying to get back into this for spring, summer. And, you know, click that subscribe button so you can get more videos from me. I'm done talking. I'm ready to eat. It's Easter Sunday and I'm hungry. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.